example number 17, chapter number 4, quadratic equation. So the example number 17 says a pole has to be erected at a point on the boundary of a circular path of the diameter 13 meters in such a way that the differences of its distance from two diametrically opposite fixed gates A and B on the boundary is 7 centimeter. Is it possible to do so? If yes, at what distance from the two gates should the pole be erected? So first of all, we are going to let the distance of the pole from the gate B. I'm going to write here. Let the distance of the pole from gate B. This one we are going to let this one as equal to the x. This one we are having is the path. Now this one we are having is the gate A and B, and this one we are having is the pole. So this one we are having here. Now we have let the distance of the pole from the gate B. This one we are having is the from here. So this one we are having BP. I'm going to write here BP we are having as equal to the x meter. Now if the distance of the pole from the gate B we are having is the x, so the difference of distance of the pole from two gates, I'm going to write here. Now the difference of distance from two gates, from here to here and here to here. So difference of this one. So we're going to write here, this one we are having is the AP, this one minus BP. So this AP minus BP we are having as equal to the, we have given that the difference of the distance from the two diametrically opposite fixed gate A and B of the boundary is 7 meter. So this one we have given as equal to the 7 meter. Now we are having AP as equal to the 7. We will transpose this BP. So we are having as equal to the 7 plus x, or I can write this one as the x plus 7 meter. So AP we are having is the x plus 7 and BP we are having as equal to the x. Now I am going to apply here the Pythagoras theorem by supposing this one we are having is the right triangle. So we are going to take the Pythagoras theorem here. So here we are having is the, this one we are having AB square is equal to the, this one we are having the hypotenuse square is equal to the AP, that is the base square, plus BP, this one we are having is the perpendicular. So I'm going to write here BP square. Now I'm going to write here AB square is equal to the AP we are having is the x plus 7 square, and BP we have given as the x square. We solve this one. A square plus B square, 7 6 is 49 plus 2AB, 7 2 is 14x, and this one we are having is the x square. So we are having is the 2x square plus 14x plus 49. This one we are having as equal to the AB square. Now AB we are having as equal to the 13 meters. A pole has to be erected at a point on the boundary of a circular path of diameter 13 meters. This AB we are having is the diameter, this one we are having is the 13. So we are having is the 13 square is equal to the 2x square plus 14x plus 49. I want to transpose this one here. So we will have the equation 2x square plus 14x plus 49 minus 13 multiplied by 13 we are having as equal to the 169. So we are having 2x square plus 14x plus minus minus, this one we are having as equal to the 120. Now we are going to take the common 2 from here. So if we are taking the 2 as the common, so we are having x square plus 7x minus 2 6 are 12 and 0. So this one we are having is the equation x square plus 7x minus 60. Now we are going to find the d. So d we are having as equal to the b square minus 4ac. Now b we are having is the 7 7s are 49 minus 4. A we are having is the 1 and C we are having is the minus 60. So 49 minus and minus plus we are having 6 4s are 24. This one we are having is the 40. Now I'm going to add this one. So this one we are having as equal to the 289. And this one we are having is the greater than 0. So the question having the real roots. So we have to find this one, the roots with the quadratic formula. So the quadratic formula we are having as equal to the x is equal to the minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a minus b we are having as equal to the 47. So I'm going to write here b we are having is the 7 plus minus b square minus 4ac we are having as equal to the 289. And here we are having the 2 multiplied by a we are having as equal to the 1 here. Now when we solve this one, we are having is 289. This one is the square root of 17. So I'm going to write here minus 7 plus minus 17 divided by 2. So the first value of x we are having is the minus 7 plus 17 divided by 2. This one we are having plus minus minus 10 by 2. 2 5s are 10. So the value of x we are having as equal to the 5. Now comes to the second one. This one we are having x is equal to the minus 7 minus 17 by 2. Now minus and minus plus and sign remain minus. This one is 7 2s are 14, carry 1, 24 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So the value of x we are having as equal to the minus 12. Now the distance cannot be negative, so we are going to consider the value of x as equal to the 5 here. So the distance of the pole from the gate B we are having as equal to the 5 meter. And the difference of the distance between two gates we are having is the x plus 7. This one we are having is the 5 plus 7 as equal to the 12 meter. So this one we are having is the distance. So with this one we have completed the example number 17. In the next video we are going to start with the example number 18.